Could you keep a plant alive if your life depended on it? Because that's the reality of mycorrhiza. Let's talk about it. Mycorrhiza are a group of beneficial fungus that actually bond with your plant's roots and form a symbiotic relationship with your plant. And the mycorrhiza need your plant to be alive and healthy in order to get fed, because they actually get fed by excess sugars that the plants produce. And in return, they will reach out and find minerals that are hard for the plant to process and bring them in and put them in a form that's easy for the plant to digest. Now, because the mycorrhiza needs the plant to be alive and healthy, they will actually act like bodyguards for your plant's roots. And so what that means is they will actually coat their fibers all over the root fibers of your plant and protect your plant from pathogens such as root rot. Now, because of that really cool relationship between mycorrhiza and plants, there are tons of commercially available products and soils that include mycorrhiza in them already to help inoculate your soil with those cool critters. So make sure whenever you are purchasing soils, fertilizers, soil amendments, look for things that say stuff like this: active soil microbes in the bag, and then look for what species might be on those bags as well. And on that species list, the longer the list is, the better, in my opinion. So as you garden this year, make sure you are adding this. It's good for all types of plants, including vegetables, trees, and shrubs.